2 weeks ago, we had an online campaign where many of you participated in our campaign, and we have received so many responses from you guys. So today, we will be calling 5 lucky winners, which is our very loyal Nesh users, to win our Nesh new product, which is our new indoor water filter, Nesh Ocean. So let's see what's their responses when they receive my call. Hello. Hi Desmond. This is calling from Nesh Marketing.
Yes, Nesh.
Yeah. Yes. Because you have been using Nesh for 12 years now, and you have been a very loyal customers. So you were chosen to receive our new indoor water filter.
Oh, okay.
Yes, which
Thank you.
No problem, which will be installing on 3rd of May if you are okay with that.
Yeah, okay, sure. Alright.
Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks,
Thank you.
Desmond, for supporting Nesh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, we are now at our customer's house and we are going to deliver this new Ocean to our customer.
Let's go!
Hi!
Hello.
We are here to deliver our new product to you.
Hi, thank you.
Okay, yeah, this is our new product. So what is so special about it is that it only has 3 filters inside.
Okay.
And you can just easily twist and then change.
Okay.
And you got all these things.
I see. Okay, so it's all integrated in one.
Yes. And then the good thing about it is that there's no piping inside.
It's direct connection straight.
Yeah,
Okay.
so piping means there are no connectors and tubes.
Yeah, okay.
So that's why we can reduce the risk of water leaking.
I see, okay.
This is the cover. So you try to close.
Magnetic.
Yeah, so it is magnetic like that.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, very nice. I've been using the previous filter for so long. It's quite a big unit. But looking at the new Ocean, it's nicely packed design. So it's very sleek, it's very modern. Yeah, it's very nice because I've never seen this part of my kitchen for a long time. It's very nice to see, it's like a new real estate on the kitchen right now. And I think this exactly fits what I wanted. It's all hidden and I have more space in the kitchen and still get the benefit of the water filter. I'm very impressed with the water filter. It's definitely something that I will definitely promote to my family and friends. It's something that I think could benefit someone who actually is looking for a water filter, and something that doesn't need a lot of maintenance. It's just changing filters, and it doesn't need power supply, and you want power supply, you can have it. So I think the flexibility of it's something that's quite good for for home users, I guess. Ocean, good water, good life.